We're back at our Cedar Slate Theater down here in the basement of this amazing house. And I think you've all seen the progress up to this point, what we've taken to get to these walls with all this, the soundproofing and noise cancellation mats that are behind this wall with the hat channel. I think Canon's shown you all that progress thus far. But now we're adding the starry ceiling, which is these inch-thick foam panels that act as a sound deadening property, and yet they have a starry sky in them. So we got fiber optics running through that to give you a dual purpose. It's going to create an ambiance with the starry sky, but at the same time, it's going to deaden that sound. You know, in a theater, you don't want noise bouncing off a bunch of hard surfaces. You want to get the pure sound coming at you, and not echoes and sound bouncing back and forth. So this is another property that we're adding to this room, that we're going to capture that sound so it's not going anywhere else. Plus we'll have carpet in here. We estimate that there's like 120 panels up in this ceiling that's going to take to fill this whole ceiling. And each one of those panels has 10 to 20 fiber optic stars that's going to create this starry sky across this whole room. So when you're in here in the dark, it's going to feel like you're outside, and then they're going to start their movie. For those of you that weren't following along and don't know exactly what's inside these walls, as you can see, the drywall is set on a hat channel. This is just framed for the opening of the speaker, but the hat channel, drywall, then the Acousti-Block. And this is that dense rubber membrane that we put all around the whole room. Behind that is fiber insulation. The two sidewalls are going to be finished with a paneling, a wainscoting with some columns throughout this room. And then we're going to have wallpaper in between on the upper part of the wall to give it a nice feel. Everything will be painted matte black, so because we don't want light bouncing around. So this theater will be equipped with Dolby Atmos. We've got 15 speakers in wall and in the ceiling, and we've got 4 subwoofers throughout the room to give you that bass. Thanks for visiting us at Cedar Slate. It's Paul Lundgren with Finer Touch Construction. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll catch you next time, but make sure you come back for this, because this is going to be amazing. So when you're talking about a home theater system, what's going to take you to the next level? What's going to create that experience that your neighbors are going to talk about? The screens are important, but the speakers, I think, are even more important, because it gives you that ability to come inside the movie. So let's talk about it.